Daddy, rubber is not the word you think it is. That means something completely different in America.
But in Jamaica, rubber is what you use to,
No.
rub things out on paper.
Do not say that in public. Hi, I'm Bree, and this is my dad.
Hi, I'm Xavier.
And today we're going to be talking about the words that Jamaican parents don't say properly. For example, automatically.
Automatically.
And I say automatically. Connecticut.
Connecticut.
This one is completely different. Eraser.
Rubber.
Yeah. No. Squirrel.
Squirrel.
And then this one always got me in trouble. Thaw.
Thaw.
Like when something is supposed to thaw out after it's been in the freezer, you say...
It thaw out, the thing thaw out.
This one, I took to school and no one knew what I was talking about. And
What do you mean nobody knew what you're talking about?
I said it's like I'm gonna thaw out once we go outside. But I said ta at the time because you only spoke patois in the house. And they were like, what?
So what did they think you were saying?
They didn't know what I was saying at all. And this happened to me in pre-K as well. The first time I went to school, I didn't know how to speak American English. So all I spoke was patois because that's what you spoke to me. This is your fault. And so when I went, no one understood me. That's why I had one friend and she was also Jamaican. And so she was my only friend because she was the only person in the class who could understand me. No one else could. And it's because of you. I mean, you even read our books to us when we were learning to read straight in patois.
Well, I wanted you guys to know the culture and to understand patois and probably even speak it. So, I had fun reading all my storybooks, and some of them are on this channel where I was speaking patois using the storybooks.
Yeah, and then we never learned how to speak English.
Well, you're speaking English perfectly right now.
Yes, because of school. But I don't know, it's all in good fun, I guess, too, because you kept the culture alive.
Well, good. Well, stay tuned, guys. We will have more of Bree and I coming up. Make sure you subscribe and you like us. And
tell us in the comments down below what words your father said wrong. Or mother. Any Jamaican parent is good.
all right, see you guys soon.
Bye.